Last photo of Laika, the first dog to be sent into spacecraft she traveled in, was made for a one-way trip. She died from overheating after a couple of hours, alone and scared. A worker relaxing during the construction of a New York skyscraper in the 1930s. Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, and Steve Wozniak have all signed an open letter for a ban on artificially intelligent weapons. After a woman was taken to the hospital with hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, two paramedics stayed behind to prepare dinner for the five kids who were still in the house. Afterwards, they also did the dishes. Respect. Eindhoven, Netherlands. Kid had an old bike with no brakes and dented someone's car. A few days later, the car owner surprised the kid with a new bike. During pregnancy, if the mother suffers organ damage, the baby in the womb sends stem cells to repair the damaged organ. Purity culture brain, initiating sexual contact, is predatory and creepy. Sex positive reframe, as long as you are centering your partner's consent in the experience, it is not predatory to initiate sexiness. Ask for their consent and interest, and if you don't have it, accept the no gracefully. This makes you a respectful partner and good listener, not a creep. In 2020, the Vatican censored a video of Pope Francis saying whiskey was the real holy water. In 1978, pilot Frederick Valentich and his plane strangely disappeared in Australia. His last message through to radio was Melbourne, that strange aircraft is hovering on top of me again. 2 seconds later, he said, it is hovering and it's not an aircraft. To keep the bad hombres out, the Dutch residents of New Amsterdam constructed a 12 wall in the 1640s. In 1664, the British ignored the wall and took New Amsterdam by sea. It's now called New York. They took down the wall and built a street. It's called Wall Street. For decades, historians tried to piece together what happened to the Romanovs after they were executed. Where were they buried? Were there any survivors? Then, in 2007, the mystery was finally solved. In 1764, Mozart's father said of the boy's older sister Maria, "My little girl, although she is only 12 years old, is one of the most skillful players in Europe." By 1770, the family's focus had shifted from her musical achievements to finding her a husband. There is no universal space language, but all astronauts are required to speak one specific language at the International Space Station. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? Or with silver bells and cockle-shells, and pretty maids all in a row. It turns out this rhyme isn't actually about a garden enthusiast, but someone much more sinister. WTF fun fact: 64% of Americans believe that having a sense of humor is the most important quality for a successful relationship, a survey revealed. The Chinese government has been sending seeds to space where they are exposed to radiation to promote plant mutations. Good mutations are used to improve crops back on Earth. The method has produced giant eggplants, half-meter long cucumbers, and peppers with improved yields and reduced seeds. Pufferfish release a toxin when they puff out that is meant to impair the attacker so they can safely escape. Ironically, this doesn't work on dolphins in the same way and actually gets them high. So, the dolphins purposely inflate them and pass them around to their dolphin friends for fun. Some men are getting facial hair transplants because they can't grow full beards. Plastic surgeons say more men have been getting the surgery in recent years as beards have become trendier. Because of amid widespread chocolate shortage during WW2, Pietro Ferrero sought to create a chocolate treat that would be affordable for struggling families. The result was Super Crema, a spread made with just a little bit of chocolate and a lot of the hazelnuts. Now we call it Nutella. Bumblebees can fly higher than Mount Everest. Pakistani passport is valid for all countries of the world except Israel. Because Pakistan doesn't recognize the legitimacy of Israel as a state. Anhedonia is a word that means the loss of interest and enjoyment in all activities that you once liked, the feeling of not caring anymore. Bad things about your period, good things about your period, mood swings, cramps, cravings, you're emotional, PMSing, bloated, tired as fuck, your boobs hurt, wanting to bite people's heads off, horny as fuck, your face looks like a pizza, headaches, all you want to do is crummy in a hole and die, you're not pregnant. Just because you are in a relationship doesn't mean you shouldn't masturbate. World's best alarm clock. This is carpet alarm clock, and it forces you to get up and stand on it to turn it off. This man is holding basketball sprayed with Vanta black color, world's blackest color. There is a diamond mine in Arkansas that is open to public. Visitors can keep whatever the gems they find. People watching the movie Jaws in the water at the Jaws on the Water event. A 99-year-old man divorced his 96-year-old wife after having been married for 77 years because he discovered an affair she had in the 1940s. A 20-year-old Russian claimed he lived on Mars and told that Martians were 2 meters tall and breathed CO2.